Hey everybody, this video we're going to be talking about a dash cam mount. I had to get a new dash cam. My old one stopped working, so I went ahead and went with the Rexing V1. It's highly reviewed. Only downside, it doesn't come with its own mount. It only comes with some 3M sticky that stick to the windshield. And they very well could work fine, I don't know, but I live in Florida and I wasn't crazy about that because it gets so friggin' hot here, and I do work outside a lot, so the car's just sitting in the sun cooking. So I went ahead and went with this dash cam mount here. It's actually by Amortek, and it fits all these different models of cameras. Like I said, I've got the Rexing V1 is what I have, but it fits several models, and I'll drop a link to this product in the description. And it's $12. Rexing does make a mount that was $5 or $6 at Suction Cup. It's a Suction Cup mount, and that's what my old camera was, and even that thing would occasionally just take a dive, and so didn't want to go with that again either. This here, benefit to it is it's heat resistant. It's nothing to do with stickiness or anything that heat would affect. It actually mounts right on the mirror. So what we'll do here with the magic of video editing, I will show you the actual mount itself, and then we'll head out in the garage and see if we can't get it mounted. So this is the packaging that came in. The Amortek says technology for love, which this really wasn't what I was looking for in my technology. That anyway. And what it comes with is all the different joints for all the different cameras that it supports, and the actual mount here that actually goes on the mirror. It's just similar if you've ever seen like a mount like a GoPro or something to like a motorcycle or a BMX bike or something. This is a similar kind of mount that you would use for that. So it actually hooks to the mirror. Your camera's going to go on the bottom of it, and it's going to be more or less permanently mounted to your mirror, so it's not going to fall off when your suction cup dries out, or you get a 3M mount. It's not going to get hot and come down or anything. So they're not crazy about the way these connectors are packaged and not labeled. I went ahead and consulted the user guide, and it just tells me to choose the one for my camera. It doesn't tell me which one fits my camera. So I guess it's going to be a trial and error process. I will figure that out, and we'll be back with hopefully attempting to get this thing actually mounted in the car. Alright, hopefully the light's okay. I did manage to get it set up in here. You're supposed to put the bolts going up with the wing nuts on top going down. I did manage to get it that way. It was not easy on my particular mirror. It was much easier the other direction, but the wing nuts I guess could fall off easier. But this is it. It's pretty sturdy. If you adjust the mirror, it does move the camera with it a little bit, so you have to readjust it, but you can do that just by loosening this and tightening it to keep it's got a little ball joint. And also finding the right connector wasn't as hard as it seemed. It's pretty much a square peg, square hole, and it wasn't too hard at all to figure out which one actually goes on it. But anyway, this is our mount, and I think I'm gonna like it. It can't really fall off. I think even if one screw came off, it wouldn't actually fall because it's got a rubber strip through it, so you'd have a chance to grab it and move it before it took a nosedive, unlike the suction cups or the 3M. And like I said, I'll drop a link in the description here if you want to click it and take a look at it and possibly purchase one for your camera. It does fit a lot of different models. And I think that's really all I have to say about it. And if I have any problems or anything, I'll do an update video. So like and subscribe. If you click the bell, you get notifications. And if you never see one of an update, just assume that I didn't have any trouble with it and everything is going good. So that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.